Hey everyone, I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to do my daily doodles, week 6 in my Hobonichi weekly calendar insert. So why don't you doodle along with me? It might be a little echoey here. I'm at my mom and dad's house, so the acoustics are different. I was here having coffee and then they wanted to run to Costco and I was like, well, I really need to do these voiceovers, so I'm just going to sit here. Because it's supposed to be another snowstorm, like the 10th one. And I need to get this recorded so I can go upload the videos because I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it in the next couple of days with all of the snow and ice. So, yay winter! So these are my daily doodles that I'm doing the how to draw almost every day. You guys know the drill. And this is week 6 in my Hobonichi weekly calendar insert. This is also made of Tomoe River paper, so it's really fun. It's been taking all the, pens, the Pigma Microns that I've been drawing with, and the watercolors really well. And I have to laugh at this week because you know how I try and sort of make a theme to my weeks? This week is absolutely, nuts.
It's a shit show.
I don't understand how these doodles go together, but that's fine. I love it. It's just complete randomness, which fits my life perfectly. So the first two are birds. I think it was a pigeon and a sparrow. The sparrow is so cute. It's such a cute little bird drawing, and it was super, super easy. So that was adorable. And then a couch and a vacuum cleaner. And I just love that vacuum cleaner because I feel like it's what a vacuum cleaner looked like in the 60s. It doesn't look like our shark, but I think it's so cute. And then there's this cat flying through the air. Well, I imagine him to be flying through the air and gonna land on the couch. And that made me laugh because it reminded me of my kids. You know how they run and jump on the furniture, and then I'm like,
Stop jumping on the
furniture. Do you guys surrender part of your furniture to your kids? I'm like, if you're gonna run and jump, go in the basement. That's the ugly furniture. You cannot do it on our good furniture upstairs, but the basement furniture, fine. It's like the one you're willing to sacrifice to your children. Really, everything in my house has been sacrificed to my children. The first nice piece of furniture we got, the first week we had it, my son was 2, and he barfed up macaroni and cheese all over it. So ever since that moment, I surrendered to the fact that you can never have nice things when you have children.
Oh, yeah, true story.
And then, let's see, I drew a rocket ship. That was... was it the 9th? I can't tell. Yeah, the 9th was a rocket ship. And then possibly my favorite thing ever was an astronaut cat, floating through space. Explain to me how that goes with the birds and a couch and a vacuum cleaner, but it's like a lucid dream. It's like an acid trip. We're just going with it. Go with me, okay? It's just crazy, and we're gonna love it. So the cat astronaut is probably my favorite thing I've doodled thus far in this entire book. And then a bus stop and a bus. I was going to try and draw the cute little girl standing at the bus stop, but there wasn't enough room. So I did not. And then the last doodle, or one of the last ones, was this, they call it government building. And then, there's my son showing you his connects. They were down there playing. A government building, and then the funniest part of the whole thing was there's a little speech bubble coming out of the building that says, "Let's make a law." And then it was yay! And I wanted to be if only it was that easy. Our government was just shut down for a month. If only they were in there being
let's make a law, yay!
Instead, they can't do anything. And then there's a vase of flowers. These little flowers were super cute, and so I drew those, and then I decided to draw some extra little berries around the birds. Maybe it would be like the berries that the birds would eat. I don't know. I don't know, guys. And then I'm using, so to draw all that, I used my Pigma Micron, the black in the 02. That's my my favorite size to just like draw basic things. It's kind of a good medium tip. And then I'm using my colored Pigma Microns to color in some of the pictures. And those are a point, I think they're an 05 size, so they're a little bit bigger, but really like them. And I think it comes in a pack at Michael's of 6, and then I think it might come with an 8-pack or something, but it's a lot of the same colors, so I don't, as far as I know, I can't find a set that has like different colors in it. But I'm still looking. I'm thinking I might try a pack of the Sharpie pens, because they have some good different colors in that pack, and I'm thinking those might be water resistant to watercolor on top of, possibly. I'm using my Crayola colored pencils and just making this doodle just colorful. Like I said, there was no rhyme, no reason, so I'm just having fun. Coloring with colored pencils. My kids were down there playing, so it was just a little relaxing doodly day. Oh, and in this video, I also am going to swatch the Jane Davenport Neutrals palette for you guys, because I got it on Amazon. Somebody in the comments had told me that they were not going to restock it at Michael's, and then I started to panic. So I was like, oh, well, I better order it, because what if they don't? And then I will have missed out. And can't have that. So got the Neutrals palette. And I like it. I do like it. Isn't that a pretty tin? It's like gold. So with the brights, the Glitz-Sea, and the neutrals, I think I've got all of the Jane Davenport little petite palette watercolors. And then when they come with this little wrapper on them, on each of the watercolors. And I like to save that. When I got the other 2 palettes, I put those in my journal at the time. So I'm going to put these, I end up putting these in my journal too. That first color is called Mango. It's really pretty. It's like an orangey red. And then the second one is Apple. It's like a bright red. And then Blueberry. That gray is Dove. And then there's a white that's Unicorn. And then a black that's Raven. That is black. And then the second row is, that color right there is called Vitamin C. How cool is it? It's a really bright orange. It's super pretty. The second one in is called Sand. Third one in on the bottom is called Buff. Fourth one is called Spice. It's supposed to be called Spice, but my palette was messed up. It's supposed to be Spice and then Kiss Kiss and then Cocoa, but they gave me 2 of the same. I don't know if they gave me 2 spices or 2 Kiss Kiss, but they're the same watercolors. So I think I'm missing one of them. I think that they gave me 2 Kiss Kiss. I'm not sure. So that was kind of disappointing, but I was like, ugh, whatever. I'm not going to return it. That's a lot of work. I'm not signing up for that. So, I've just got 2 of the same pans. It's weird because the wrappings were different colors, but they both said Kiss Kiss. Odd. I don't know. I can't quite understand. But then I'm using the black to watercolor around the rocket and the little astronaut cat, because they're in space, you know? But then and then the birds, I put blue around them because they're not in space. And then, just more background. Thanks for doodling with me today. I hope you had fun, and I will see you in the next video where I show you how this transitioned into a fun journaling session. Bye!